And so it begins. We love to travel so much, we bought a house less than a half a mile from the SeaTac airport ticket counter.
Medical grade cleaning and disinfecting, and our HVAC system constantly circulates fresh, clean air.
So after we checked in, we quickly found the Centurion Lounge.
We had looked it up beforehand, and we knew that we would be able to get access using the Platinum Amex card and a same-day ticket, but it could be for any airline.
All together.
2.
Okay, well, they have to go back to you.
Thank you.
Hello.
I'm going to have you guard, well, I have an option for you actually.
Okay.
I can either give you this little couch right here, which is a good one, or it's a high top table on the bar, no place to charge.
I like the little sofa.
I like the little sofa.
Grab this.
Thank you.
All right, here's your Wi-Fi 30K.
We got to the airport 3 hours before our flight so we could have a little extra time in the lounge.
It was a great lounge. It was very clean. The people were friendly.
The Wi-Fi was pretty fast.
It was a great breakfast and lunch. Well worth the benefits of having a card.
The food was delicious. I liked everything. They even had chia seed pudding. There were so many options, just get a taste of everything. And there was an awesome coffee machine.
First flight of the rest of our lives was delayed.
True. Didn't even think about that.
Our flights were meant to go from Seattle to Chicago, Chicago to Boston, Boston to London. We were notified that our flight would be delayed due to storms over Chicago.
We were a bit worried. We weren't sure if there would be a second delay, and if so, we wouldn't be able to get on the plane from Boston to London. Normally, this would be bad news. However, since we were enjoying ourselves, we took full advantage, breakfast and lunch for free. Even with the hour delay, when it was time to go, we were still a little sad. Normally you're like, go, like, let's get out of here. And instead it was like, just 10 more minutes?
FAA regulation.
They may be behind you.
Your safety is always our top priority. We're taking extra care to make you safe and healthy travel experience. We can financially appropriate quality aircraft. If you are going
You ready, babe?
to Delhi,
Ready.
the gate has changed to
Good night.
Concourse C. Because it was our first trip, we decided to go all out and purchase first class tickets.
I don't even know if I've ever been on a plane that has the lay down seats, let alone the option to purchase them. It just seemed like the right thing to do.
Okay, everyone. Bad news, good news. First, our flight was totally canceled from Chicago to Boston. Great news, our first class flight from Boston to London just became a first class flight from Chicago to London. 2 extra hours in our first class seats.
And not just a regular first class seat that has a little extra space and the seat's like a recliner, but in a Polaris, let's call it a bed, shall we? Which is absolutely delightful. It was very nice, very classy. We didn't have to wait. To the back of the lounge, we found a restaurant. The best food I've ever had in an airport. And unlike most airport food, it was free.
And I'm just gonna give you a tour and a little scrubby and everything I need, which is great because it's all in my charge bag. They have slippers.
After watching several travel videos, we had seen people get massages and have really amazing lounge experiences. When we saw that this lounge had showers, we were over the moon excited.
I need it.
Like, this was our lounge dream come true of everything that we'd been seeing on YouTube.
Showers were awesome. I had fun. I mean, what
He was in there for like 30 minutes.
What are you gonna do with your first shower in the airport?
Super refreshing. Ready for our flight.
Welcome aboard. If you don't mind crossing and making the right. Good evening, sir.
How you doing?
Aboard. Do you know the seat number?
I believe 1D.
Goodness, the nuts are warm and delicious, and this Cabernet Sauvignon wine, delightful.
You want to say anything I watch?
First of all, we love it because it's good. And it was a couple And how good the lights are. It's supposed to be books. It's really soft. And it's like a little bit surrounded. And so they here's more comfort. The double tuned it, I used gelatin, but not like that. And I used to for my hand. Okay, what I love about are these little extras. This really nice hand cream. And then this refreshing face mist, which I've used a couple of times. I always get like this really gross, grimy feeling on my skin when I fly. And I've used this stuff a couple of times during the flight. It's delightful. This is garment swab cleaner and great if you need to freshen up your stuff. I might spritz that a little bit. That's it. That was my bathroom tour. Good morning. And new snacks. I'm in the best seat. Look at all the stuff.
Follow the time here in London is 11:02. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Arrival. Baggage reclaim, because you cleaned it once.
Oh, the Queen's Terminal. See you when we take the tube. Polaris. How am I?
legs look dirty.
Yeah, you kind of do. That's cool though.
I can take them off at the lounge.
Nah, they look nice. I like them.
We were really glad. We were really. We were.
Where is it? She was like, clear across the state. I'm sure
I've never been in Europe. I've been in Europe.
you are in the UK.
Oh,